Some sweeping changes on the way in Massachusetts. Governor Charlie Baker announcing all COVID-19 restrictions will be lifted by the end of the month. This includes changes to the mask and capacity policies. 12 News reporter Brandon Truitt is live for us in Seekonk with what is changing and when. Brandon?
Well, Kim, you know, it was a year ago this week that Governor Charlie Baker first unveiled what reopening the state would look like. Since then, he says it has been a slow and gradual process to try to get back to normal.
So good morning.
The end is in sight for people living in Massachusetts. Governor Charlie Baker laying out the final steps of the reopening process during a news conference Monday morning.
Commonwealth of Massachusetts will lift all industry, COVID restrictions and capacity limits.
The changes coming Memorial Day weekend. By May 29th, capacity and gathering limits will become a thing of the past. Businesses, weddings, backyard barbecues can operate pre-pandemic style. 100% capacity across the board for the first time in more than a year.
The science shows that vaccinated people are well protected against the virus and unlikely to spread COVID.
It's because of that fact, Baker says, he has adjusted the state's mask guidance to follow the CDC. On the same day capacity limits expire, the mask mandate will too. Fully vaccinated people will not have to wear a face covering indoors or out. The Bay State will still require them when taking public transit like an Uber or the T, as well as some healthcare facilities. Students and staff at K-12 schools will have to keep them on too. Overall, the governor's saying the state is in a good place and their hard work is paying off.
We got this far because the people in Massachusetts followed the public health guidance to keep everybody safe, and we must continue to do our part.
And the governor pointed out that these changes to the mask policy only apply to people who are fully vaccinated. Also worth noting that private businesses, stores, shops, restaurants can still keep their own version of a mask requirement in place. You're really just going to have to check your favorite places to shop and see what they're doing, Kim.
And Brandon, you mentioned that masks will still be required for students and staff at K-12 schools indoors, but there is a slight change to the mask policy starting tomorrow, right?
Yeah, a little relief for them, at least when they're outside. This applies to any K-12 student, anyone really under the age of 18 that's doing a rec league activity or sport, or maybe just at recess. The state is really saying that that age group presents a bit of a challenge for them because vaccines have only been approved for children 12 and older. The state was suggesting that that age group of younger kids could be one of the last groups to see mask mandates fully removed, but nonetheless a little bit of relief when they're trying to get outside. And today, at least right now, seems like a good day for it, Kim.
Certainly is true. Brandon Truitt live for us in Seekonk. Thank you.